Pass to jersey number 11. Wala. Nakakuha jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 24. 2.25. Jersey number 24. Papa. Jersey number 8 again. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Who's foul red? Jersey number 26. First personal foul. First team foul. Tagpan. 10 seconds. Wala pa rin. 2.25. Jersey number 07. Mercado. 24. Jersey number 3, Josh. Wala. Jersey number 1, Haras pa ito. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, Nicodemus. Pass to jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 26. 5 seconds. Jersey number 8, binababa ang bola. Jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 07. Pass to jersey number 11, Palangmares. Wala. Nakakuha ng jersey number 8, Nicodemus. Jersey number 0, Perez. Pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 10. Wala. Nakakuha ng jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, nagkamadali. Second shot clock. Jersey number 88, pass to jersey number 3. 2.25, jersey number 3. Score, all four. Jersey number 24. 2.25, jersey number 24. Exactly 6 minutes. Score, 6-4, 2.84 for Barangay Santa Cruz. Jersey number 8. Tumira na 3. 2.25, jersey number 8. Lurena. Dapat na po para kaya pagtuwa ng isa. Jersey number 13. Lupo. 10 second shot clock. Jersey number 13. Exactly 5 minutes. Jersey number 13, pass to jersey number 0, Perez. Pass to jersey number 8, 10 seconds. 2.25, jersey number 8, Nicodemus. Score, 11-7. 4.8 for Barangay Santa Cruz. Jersey number 8. 13 second shot clock. Pass to jersey. Offensive foul. Jersey number 3. Ortiz. Sabra. 11 out. 19. First personal foul. First team foul. First team foul. Jersey number 12, pass to jersey number 0, Perez. Drive. Good for 2-1, jersey number 0, Perez. Bola. Jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 8, Tumira. Tumira na 3. Wala. Nakakuha ng jersey number 2. Jersey number 12, binababa bola. Out of bounds.
shot clock, 18 seconds to shoot. The loss on the sideline, inbound, looking for the open man. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to Pasahol, 15 on the shot clock against Valenzuela. 12 second shot clock. Pass to Flamengo to running. That pass takes it up, it's not good. Out that pass, jersey number 9, Cruz. Waiting for his teammate to the winner. 15 on the shot clock. And hey, back pass. Northeast for 3, airball yan para jersey number 3. Jersey number 0. Pass to Velosa, intercept, almost intercept, jersey number 7. Turnover. Boys DA, intercept. Intercept. Pasahol passes the loss of jersey number 2, 2 minutes and 50 seconds to play. Behind the back ball. Spin move, follow away shot. Air ball. Out of bounds, same ball. Second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 16, Flamengo in the baseline, inbound pass to the loss against Hungria. Takes it high, it's not good, but there's a whistle. Foul will be jersey number 19. That is first foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws para Mr. De Lawson. It's good, 2 for 2. Time remaining 2 minutes and 39 seconds to play. Barazan in the first quarter. There's number 0 Andrea on the run. Back pass to Santiago. Lace it up, it's good. There's number 0 Perez.
6-point lead by Santa Cruz.
Pass to Flamengo, back to Perez. There's number 0. Pass to Ryan and the loss of jersey number 2 on the run. Perez, take it up. And there's a whistle. Foul to jersey number 77, pushing foul. That is first foul, warning for penalty para kay Pagtuman. 2 free throws para jersey number 2, Mr. De Lawson. Replacement, here's number 28, Kapun Kwan, time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds to play. There's number 0, crossover, move, look at the eyes, back to mirror, corner, pass to Santiago, wide open for 3. It's not good, finding for the rebound. Long rebound para kay Kapun Kwan. Pass to Rani to Lawson, almost losing the ball. Oh, and here's number 3. Deflected out of bounds, save ball. 18-second shot clock, 18 seconds to shoot. There's a number 16 to Flamengo. Pass to Kapun to Perez, hesitate, move. There's a number 0. 12 on the shot clock. Pass to Flamengo, 6-second, move, big pass, corner pass to Corner pass to Cruz. Lugria. 10 on the shot clock. Against the good ball. Jersey number 0. Fighting for the ball. Cross over the move. 6 on the shot. Jersey number 7. Makes it up for him. Make a son of a foul. Foul committed with jersey number who's ball up. Jersey number 3. That is first foul. 13th foul. Sa Barangay Santa Cruz. 7. Mr. Santiago. Jumpers ready. On the shot, it's no good. 1 minute and 18
Score
seconds to
natin.
play.
20-11.
20-11. Offensive foul. There's a number 0 Perez. Substitution.
9-point lead by Santa Cruz.
Foul. Barangay Santa Cruz. Time remaining 1 minute and 12 seconds to play. Para sa ating first quarter score. 20-11. 9-point lead. Para sa Barangay Santa Cruz. Valenzuela pass to Ortiz. 1 minute and 10 seconds to play. Penetrate, lays it up, it's good. And number 19, Pasahol. Pass to Flamengo, waiting for his teammate. Exactly 1 minute to play. Pass to Perez. Crossover move against the play. It's straight well. And there's the number 3. There's the number 28, Camontuan. Looking for the open man. Pass to Perez for 3. Masyadong malakas. Fighting for the rebound. Long rebound para kay Camontuan. A nice smart play. Para jersey number 28. Time remaining 49.8 seconds to play. Seconds to shoot. Jersey number 28. Pass to Flamengo. He goes pass to Camontuan. Corner trace, no good. Time for the rebound with jersey number 3, Ortiz. Pass to Hungria, jersey number 0, Easy. Pass to Santiago. Take it. Bye! This is the last is good. That's the play. Jersey number 16, Flamengo. Intercept from the line. And there's the whistle. Foul with jersey number 19, is that Flamengo. And jersey number 16. That is first foul. One of the two by jersey number 0, Mr. Hungria. 28.8 seconds to play. Jersey number 0, Perez. Pass to Pasahol. 4 seconds separation between the green flag and the shot out. Jersey number 19. Lead on the fire. Pass to Pasahol. 20 seconds to play. Shot out is up. Jersey number 9 for 3. 10 seconds to play. Zero Perez. Pass to Ryan Torres. Pass it around.